Hello and welcome to Statistics Math 1342 Online. My name is Taylor Darwin and I'm excited to work with you this semester. If you're not familiar with the Canvas Learning Management System, I suggest that you go to your courses and there should be a student orientation course for you to get more familiar with this system. I'm going to explain an overview of this course, but I do suggest that you take time to really look into all the things in here so you are familiar with the course and what's expected of you. This home page is where you found this video, a quick help to kind of explain a condensed version of this course, course navigation, which explains what each tab up here on the left does. For example, this home tab takes you back to the page we're on now. The modules tab takes you to really the meat of the course, all the information that you need as far as assignments, tests, quizzes, homework, all of that. And you can read about the rest. All these are just extra links to help you find information on maybe privacy policies or student services if you need any of those. So I suggest looking into those on your own time. I'm going to click the Modules tab though, and I'm going to start with Course Information, and I will explain some of these. For example, the instructor handout is really like a condensed syllabus because our syllabus is really long, so I just condensed what to expect in this class. My name's there and my email, a description of this course. It does say that you need a textbook, but technically you are required to buy online homework, which includes the textbook. So I would say unless you want an actual copy of it, then just use the e-textbook. Homework is 10% of your grade. The final project, which you can find more information about, I'll show you where later on, is 5%. Quizzes are 10%. You'll have 3 exams worth 45%, and your final exam is worth 30% of your grade. Homework will be administered through MyLab and Mastering, which is a tab on Canvas. It does cost around $80. There are no makeups for missed exams and quizzes. You've got a quiz after every chapter, and you've got, like I said, 3 exams and a final exam. The exam dates are listed there. Assignment feedback, I usually post the keys within a couple days after you take a quiz or a test so you can see what you got right or wrong. Cheating is not tolerated in this course, and a schedule can be found under the course information. So here we are again, an assignment schedule. This is just a breakdown weekly of what you can expect to look at and learn and what is due. So for example, this week you need to familiarize yourself with the syllabus, watch sections 1.1 through 1.4, and do the scavenger hunt quiz. And then it has the due date for the scavenger hunt quiz, August 26th. So on for the entire semester. Please notice that I have highlighted the exams so you know especially when exams are due. You can keep looking through this. Student services that you may need. About me if you want that. MyLab and Mastering, definitely look into that. That is how you are going to sign up for our course homework. Or you can go to this tab on the left, MyLab and Mastering, and it will send you to that via a link. And if you need help with this, please ask me. Lastly, the chapters are broken down so you can see the scavenger hunt quiz and then chapter 1 videos, the homeworks that go with it, and then the quiz at the end, which they all have the due dates. So please make sure you're doing those on time. Chapter 2, chapter 3, so on. And then exam 1 materials. So exam 1's over chapter 1 through 4. And then you can find that exam 1 material there. This is a really quick overview. I didn't want to take up too much of your time. If you still have questions after this, please feel free. One that may come to mind is how long do we have to do the exam? You have 2 hours for the exams, and they're open on the day that they're due. So for example, exam 1 is due October 2nd, so you'll have all day to do it. But once you start it, you have to finish it in that time. You can't start for an hour, stop, and then pick up an hour later. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or